Hi everybody, welcome to Presto. My name's Mark. I'm going to take you through how to build out a Presto little micro course. My topic today is cybercrime. So really what I want to do, my use case, my objective is to get a little course, introduction course with some information, some multiple choice, maybe a video, and some pictures and put that together for a year 8 class. So it's not too complicated. It doesn't get into the whole nitty gritty of what it all is and all the technicalities of it. So that's what I'm going to do as a teacher. So I hit into Presto. Presto is fully supported by GPT, AI, and our own AI. And I'll show you how we bring this thing together. So I'm going to do some shortcuts on the typing here. So we'll give it, every course has a name. That's easy to understand. Now I'm going to go into what I call my turbo mode, where I don't really know. I know I want questions, but I don't know what's out there. So I'm going to start exploring um, the AI and make it for year 8 so it doesn't get complicated and get myself, okay, some background. Here we go. Here's 4 questions, multiple choice questions on the 5 elements of cybercrime. So I'm ahead of the game already. Now, of course, you can you can proofread these, you can look at them. I'm not going to stop to do that because I know they're actually very high quality. That's the sort of stuff that it returns. So I'll keep going, but everyone's always the judge of their own work. Okay, so what we do next is we want to get some basic 100-word overview of cybercrime, but we'll say for year 8 so it's not too complicated, okay? We will scale back the language used. We will not use big multi-syllable words. We'll stay away from all technical stuff, and we'll really push it down to a level where a year 8 student could understand this quite easily. So what I've got here is my text. So I'll just generate a card. What that's done is it's put my text card here. Not ideal because I wanted the beginning, so I should have told it that. So I'll just shuffle it up. Obviously, you might want to put some carriage returns in here and just space it a bit. It's well written. It's 100. It's what I wanted, 100 words, and we'll call this introduction. Okay. So basically, I have done my course. That's it. Intro, introduction. Course is done. Oh, I said I wanted a video, so let's go there. So I'll go quickly to video, and I'll go to YouTube Education. Always a good source for things. Cybercrime. You can put cybercrime in Australia, or you can put cybercrime in the US. It's going to search YouTube Education, appropriate videos, ad-free. Boom, videos in the room. So I've got my intro, I've got my video, I've got my questions. Now, just some other little things I could do here. I could anchor this card, this introduction card, and I'll show you what that means. What it means is that all the cards at the back of the deck that have the questions will come back to this one. So I'll show you. We'll start cybercrime. We have our intro, we have our video, and I've got this flipper, which will take me, if I can't remember, comprehension-wise, what the answer is, it'll flip me back to the content, and I'll go on to the next one, and it'll flip me back to the content. Nice way to ease navigation for students. It's on a phone, remember. We don't want to be sliding, forwards, backwards. I know that they like to slide. I don't. So that's why that's there. So to finish it off, let's make it look a bit more upbeat and professional. We'll go into Unsplash, where all the copyright issues are pretty well covered off, and we can something that kind of matches what we're trying to do. So cyber. Something, like it's a matter of working a few words in the keywords, getting the picture you want, putting it in there. It does a really nice job there, and now we've got our very presentable course um, that we can check as a teacher, make sure it's marking okay. It's now ready to assign to a student. So really simply, we can assign to classes, to guests asking for a name. The one that I'll assign to for you all is for an anonymous audience. So I'm sending this out to anyone who's got that QR code. So pick up your phone now, take a picture of that QR code and join my cybercrime course. And that's as simple as it gets for a teacher. So talking aside, that was about a 30-second AI build time, and the result has been quite spectacular. Now, we can run the same course, but for year 10, year 12 adults. All of the sort of structure around it, all the information around it will change based on age. So it's very reusable, very able to be replicated, very easy to share. And I forgot to show you the shares. You can share across classroom. So in a school situation, it will just slot into what you're doing. It's not going to compete. It's not going to give you another place to log in. It's going to fit into what you're doing really, really simply and be able to be used on any device that you have. These all get built into a library. They get categorized. We can share it with other teachers. We can have a public library. So an organization could have a whole bank of cybercrime at different levels for schools just to pick up and bring into their curriculum. It's that simple. It was made to be that simple, and it's powered by the latest you can get in AI. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I'll leave it there, and I look forward to talking to you next time we meet. Bye for now.